Welcome you all. I am Dr. Abdul Ahad, Assistant Professor, Maulana Azad College, Aurangabad. In last lecture, we have seen in the amination by reduction unit the manufacturing process for aniline by Béchamp reduction. Okay. So as we know that in this slide you can see the Béchamp reduction process can be performed by using iron and HCl. This iron metal and HCl, they reduce the nitro group to amino group. So overall conversion of nitrobenzene to this aniline takes place. Now we will try to understand the mechanism of this Béchamp reduction. In this Béchamp reduction, first this nitro group is reduced to nitroso compound. We know that the functional group for nitroso compound is N double bond O. So this NO2 group is converted into nitroso group, NO group, followed by this hydration of this nitro group, it gives hydroxyl amine group. It yields hydroxyl amino group, which after this hydroxyl amine group, after reaction with iron and HCl, it gives this aniline. Okay, so this is a simple brief of the mechanism of reaction. Now we will try to understand step by step process of mechanism of this Béchamp reduction. First of all, we know that iron it is a metal, and this is the structure of nitrobenzene. It is the structure of nitrobenzene. We can write nitrobenzene NO2 group like this. It is a resonating structure, one of the resonating structure of NO2 group, in which nitrogen atom contain positive charge here and doubly bonded to oxygen atom, and one of the oxygen atom is having singly bonded to nitrogen and having a negative charge. So it is the structure of NO2 group. So first what will happen here, the iron metal, we know that metals are having electropositive character, so they will easily release its electron. So what will happen here, the iron metal, it will lose 2 electron. It will lose 2 electron to this nitrogen atom of nitro group, and at the result it will be converted into Fe plus 2 ion. Okay, so here oxidation of this iron taking place. Okay, we know that what is the definition for oxidation and reduction in terms of electrons. If any group or metal it loses its electron, then the reaction is called as oxidation, or if any group or element it accepts electron or it gains electron, then it is called as reduction. So here oxidation reduction reaction between this iron and this nitrobenzene taking place. Okay, so here what is happening, iron loses its 2 electron to this nitrogen atom and oxidation of this iron takes place, and this nitro group, nitrobenzene, it accepts electron from from iron, so reduction of this nitrobenzene taking place. So it is a type of redox reaction, we can say it is a type of oxidation reduction reaction. Okay, now after gaining 2 electrons from this iron, the doubly bonded oxygen atom, the nitrogen is doubly bonded to oxygen. So in double bond we know that one single bond is there, sigma bond, and one pi bond is there. So what will happen here? The pi bond electron of this nitrogen oxygen will be shifted towards 2 oxygen atom. As a result, negative charge will develop on oxygen atom. This negative charge will attack on H plus ion. Now ये H plus ion कहाँ से आ रहा है? ये H plus ion आ रहा है HCl से, है ना. यहाँ पे हम क्या ले रहे हैं? HCl. HCl is a type of protic acid. है ना. We know the definition of acid. Acid is a substance which donate H plus ion. Okay. Now this oxygen atom which become negative, it will accept H plus ion from this HCl. Okay, got this step? And here you can see here this oxygen atom now bonded to hydrogen atom. It will become OH. It will become OH. Now here this nitrogen atom of this nitrobenzene is having positive charge. After gaining the electron, it will become neutral. ओके, पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा वहाँ उसका हट जाएगा. नाउ दिस ऑक्सीजन get attached with hydrogen atom, it will become OH. Okay, so this intermediate will be found here. Now the oxygen atom of this hydroxyl group, it will abstract one more proton from acid, from HCl. Listen, the overall reaction is taking place in a same reaction vessel. In our reaction vessel, nitrobenzene is there. In our reaction metal, iron metal is also there, and HCl is also there. Okay, so the reaction taking place in a same vessel. Now this hydroxyl group, oxygen of this hydroxyl group, it will abstract one more proton from acid, and it will become OH2. It will become OH2. Okay. Now this oxygen atom is attached with 2 hydrogen atom, and it is also attached with nitrogen atom. Now what is the valency of oxygen atom here? It is 3, but we need in stable condition oxygen is having 2 valency. So what is happening here? The lone pair electron of this oxygen atom utilized in the bond formation with this hydrogen atom. Okay, so what will happen? Overall the oxygen atom is having, now it is not having these 2 non-bonding electrons. These 2 non-bonding electrons of oxygen atom is utilized in the formation of bond with this hydrogen atom. Therefore a positive charge will be developed on this oxygen atom. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? ऑक्सीजन के पास पॉजिटिव चार्ज डेवलप होगा. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? OH2 इट बिकम अ गुड लिविंग ग्रुप. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बन रहा है वहाँ पे, और OH2 प्लस ग्रुप, इट इज़ अ गुड लिविंग ग्रुप. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? द नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑफ दिस ऑक्सीजन एटम इट विल अटैक ऑन दिस nitrogen oxygen bond, forming nitrogen oxygen double bond, and removal of this OH2 group takes place. Okay, तो क्या होगा? यहाँ से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल वहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा. एज अ रिजल्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस एंड डबल बॉन्ड O group takes place, which is called as nitrosobenzene. Okay. Now what will happen in the next step? In the next step, hydration means this nitrosobenzene will gain some hydrogen atoms. Hydration of this nitrosobenzene takes place. So what will happen here? Hydration, 2 hydrogen atom will be added to this N double bond O, and it will become नाइट्रोजन के पास एक हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच होगा, ऑक्सीजन के पास एक एटम अटैच होगा, डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड में कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा इसका, एंड वी विल गेट हियर बेंजीन अटैच विथ NH-OH group. Okay, what is the name of this functional group? It is called as hydroxyl amine. It is called as hydroxyl amine. Okay, got this step? Understand? Now this hydroxylamine, the nitrogen atom in this hydroxylamine group, the nitrogen atom is attached with OH group. Now the non-bonding electron, we know that oxygen is atom is having 2 non-bonding electron. How many non-bonding electrons are there? It is having 1, 2, 3, 4. Overall 4 electrons are available on oxygen atom after making 2 bond. Okay, so one of the lone pair of oxygen atom, it will be utilized in the bond formation of this hydrogen atom. Okay, again it will become OH2. Okay, so what is happening here? Try to understand the concept here. We know that OH group is not a good living group. OH group is not a good living group. So after abstraction of this proton, it will be converted into OH2 group. Okay, now OH2 group is a good living group. We have to remove this OH group here from here. So direct removal of OH group cannot takes place. So it will abstract this proton, it will become OH2, और क्या होगा यहाँ से रिमूवल ऑफ दिस OH2 ग्रुप टेक्स प्लेस. अब यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट OH2 ग्रुप निकलेगा क्या? यहाँ पे नहीं निकलेगा. आयरन रिएक्शन वेसल में आयरन है, अपने आयरन क्या करेगा? ये नाइट्रोजन एटम को और 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोवाइड करेगा. इसका जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन अटैक हो रहा, एज अ रिजल्ट व्हाट विल हैपन? रिमूवल ऑफ दिस OH2 ग्रुप टेक्स प्लेस. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल क्या होगा? वहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? आयरन ने नाइट्रोजन को 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोवाइड करा, नाइट्रोजन के पास क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव चार्ज, और एक हाइड्रोजन आइटम अटैच है उसके साथ में. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन के पास नेगेटिव चार्ज है. रिएक्शन वेसल में क्या है हमारे? HCl है. HCl इज अ एसिड इज अ सब्सटेंस विच रिलीजेज H+ आयन, और बेस इज अ सब्सटेंस विच एक्सेप्ट H+ आयन. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? सिंपल nucleophilic nitrogen atom having negative charge, it will abstract hydrogen atom. Okay, and it will be converted into NH2 group. It will be converted to NH2 group. Okay, so conversion of this ion to aniline takes place. This intermediate to aniline takes place. Okay, so this is the step by step complete mechanism of Béchamp reduction. Okay.